Chapter 5: Challenges faced by Indian democracy. Democracy is a continuous living process. Alert and conscious efforts are required to sustain democracy. It is necessary to deal with the threats to democracy in a democratic manner. Let us have a look at challenges before democracy at the global level. Challenges of military taking over, spread of democratic values, adopting several measures like inclusion of all social components, autonomy to social institutions, empowerment of citizens, protection of human values for real cultivation of democracy, to ensure that democracy becomes deep-rooted. Activity: arrange the discussions in the school about following two subjects. If non-democratic system wants to transform into democratic system, which democratic institutions need to be established? Select one democratic country. If it continues to have a one party, what will be the future of the democracy? Now let's see the challenges before Indian democracy. Communalism and terrorism. Religious conflict and the resultant terrorism is one of the major challenges before Indian democracy. Left extremists. Naxalism. Naxalism began as a movement to remove injustice against aggressive landless farmers and tribal people. But the importance of the problems of farmers and tribal people has reduced, and violent measures to oppose the government policies, attacking the police forces, such tactics are used by the Naxalite groups. Corruption. Due to different financial blunders, poor public services and facilities, and delay in governmental work, the extent of corruption is said to be very high in the public sector in India. Corruption is also seen in the electoral process, for example, bribing the voters. Criminalization of politics. Increased participation of criminals in political process is a serious problem for democratic systems. Sometimes, political parties give candidature to people having a criminal background. This is an example of criminalization of politics. Other social challenges. This includes following main challenges: unemployment, unequal distribution of resources, increasing gap between rich and poor, caste-based issues, etc. Now we are in 10th standard, and as a responsible citizen of India, we need to think about the steps which should be taken to make Indian democracy successful. What can be done? All religious, linguistic, ethnic and caste groups should get equal opportunity to participate in the decision-making process. You know that majority is very important in democracy. Through democracy is a government by majority, everyone's opinion should be considered important. Judiciary in India is seen to be making conscious efforts to make political process transparent. Example, to prevent criminalization of politics, strict punishment to criminals, and prohibiting criminals from participating in political process. Everyone at social and individual level should make conscious efforts, increased active participation in the different campaigns undertaken by the government. Example, Education for All campaign, Clean Bharat campaign, Gram Samruddhi Yojana, self-help groups, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Increased participation of people, especially at the level of the government. Always remember, if everyone keeps in mind that we are responsible citizens of the nation, the democracy will surely succeed.